Hello guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to delete lost blank pages in MS Word. So here I have a text and up to page number 5 I have a text, and from page number 6 there is a lot of blank pages. So how to delete it? So first thing is just keep the cursor from your blank page and then press Ctrl Shift and press Ctrl Shift and from keyboard your all blank pages will be selected. Okay, so after select just press delete. Okay, first press Ctrl Shift and then press delete button. Your pages will be deleted, but as you can see there is still one blank page. So how to delete this one? So last blank page. Okay, so just keep your cursor on the blank page and then press backspace button 2 or 3 times. Okay, so first try to press backspace button one time. If this page wouldn't delete, then press the backspace button 2 or 3 times and your page will be deleted like this. Okay, or if this method not work, you have one more chance. Keep your cursor on the end of text here. Okay, keep your cursor end of text and then press delete button from your keyboard. First try to press one time. If the page wouldn't delete, then press delete button 2 or 3 times like this, and boom. So these are 3 methods to delete your blank pages. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.